Okay, this question says how many terms of series must be taken to make the sum equal to, so to make the sum which is equal to 728. So see, you have the result of sum, and in your GP the sum is found out by a times r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So if you look at the series here, 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus dot 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 here, your first term which is a equals to 2, and to find your r, it's t2 over t1. So term 2 is 6, term 1 is 2, so 6 over 2 is 3. So which means you have your ratio r equals to 3. Now the value of sum is already given, so when you add up, the sum seems to be 728, and in place of a you write it 2. You got r as 3, but we don't know how many terms that have been taken and added, no? So n is unknown. R minus 1, so which means 3 minus 1 here, right? So we have 728 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to n minus 1 over 3 minus 1 is 2. So now you just have to cancel out things if you have here. Okay, so we have 728 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1. So if I take negative 1 this side, it will become positive 1. You are left with 3 raised to n. So we have 729 equals to 3 raised to n. Now 729 equals to 3 raised to n. My aim is to find n. However, you see that in your left hand side you have 729. So how to make 729 in the base of n? So you try to break down. Okay, so you have 729. If I try to divide it by 3, I'm getting 243. Okay, so 3 times 243 is 729. 243, try to break down, divided by 3, I'm getting 81. So 3 times 81, then we know that 81 we get from multiplying 9 times 9. 9 can be break down into 3 times 3, so which means basically 729 is given by 3 raised to 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 raised to 6. Just to double check, so 3 raised to 6 is equal to 729. Yes, so now I can compare this side base 3, the other side base 3, which means the exponent has to be same. Hence you got the value of n which is equal to 6. So this is how we got the answer here. So how many terms? So which means 6 terms. 6 terms of this series is giving you sum 728.